Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to take digestive enzymes. To get the most from your enzymes, simply take them just before you eat. This allows the enzymes to mix effectively with your food as you begin your meal. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in how well your body processes nutrients. Remember, consistency is key for the best results. Understanding your enzyme product is crucial. Always check the label for the recommended dosage, as this can vary significantly between brands and formulations. Some enzymes are designed for specific food groups, like lactase for dairy. If you're unsure which type is best for your needs, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Digestive enzymes are most effective when taken with meals, especially those rich in fats, proteins, or complex carbohydrates. This helps them break down the food you're eating. It's generally not recommended to take them on an empty stomach, as this might cause mild irritation. A small glass of water can help you swallow the capsule and ensure it reaches your stomach smoothly. To maximize the benefits of your digestive enzymes, proper storage is important. Keep them in a cool, dry place away from direct heat. Remember that enzymes are a helpful aid, but good eating habits, like chewing your food thoroughly, also play a vital role in digestion. Always listen to your body and consult a professional if you have any concerns or need to adjust your regimen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.